Welcome to another video, guys. I got my friend Juan joining me today.
What's up?
So it's a kind of important day today. We're gonna pick up something special, a new project for you guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys along the way and show you guys when we get there.
How you feeling, Jose?
Nervous.
Yeah, that feels super bad, dude.
Next right at Uppbeat Court. Then your destination will be on the right.
What happened?
We got Corona.
Like, so don't
Well, you gotta ask.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh shit.
Chewy. Alright guys, well, we are back from that little trip. I hope you guys liked that little road trip video. Try not to make it that long, but here's what we picked up. So we actually picked up a Vaydor body kit, and then this is the donor that we're gonna be using. It's a 2007 Infiniti G35. It is pretty much bone stock. It has hail damage, but that doesn't matter to us because we are gonna put the body kit on it. I'll show you guys a picture of how it looks when it's finished. Alright, and to give you guys a little walk around on the car, you know, it's pretty pretty standard G35. The only thing that I was really looking for, it's this. I made sure it was the one that had the intelligent key system, because I don't want to be using a key to start the car. So like I said, it has a little bit of hail damage. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. There's like little dents everywhere. We're gonna cut it all up and transform it into the vaydor kit. The interior honestly is pretty beat up like any other G35. But you know, the powertrain is perfect. It runs and drives. I've been driving it for like a couple weeks, and it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. So it's a perfect candidate to convert it into the vaydor body kit. So if you guys want to see more of the vaydor kit, you know, I'll be putting all the progress right here on the channel. I'll make it a series. So go ahead and follow, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.